Here's a recipe for a delicious hummus platter featuring multiple flavors of hummus along with various dipping options. Ingredients. For classic hummus: 1. 2 cans, 15 ounces each, of chickpeas, garbanzo beans, drained and rinsed. 2. 1/4 cup tahini. 3. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 3 tablespoons lemon juice. 5. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 6. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. 8. Water, as needed for consistency. For roasted red pepper hummus: 1. 1 batch of the classic hummus. Ingredients listed above. 2. 1 large roasted red pepper, from a jar or freshly roasted, drained and patted dry. For garlic hummus: 1. 1 batch of the classic hummus. Ingredients listed above. 2. 3 cloves roasted garlic. You can roast the garlic cloves in the oven with a bit of olive oil until soft. For serving: 1. Pita chips. 2. Fresh vegetables, carrot sticks, cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, etc. 3. Sliced bread or breadsticks. Instructions. Classic hummus: 1. In a food processor, combine the drained chickpeas, tahini, minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, cumin, salt, and pepper. 2. Blend until smooth, scraping down the sides of the processor as needed. 3. If the hummus is too thick, add water a tablespoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. 3. Adjust seasoning if needed. Roasted red pepper hummus: 1. Take half of the prepared classic hummus and add the roasted red pepper to the food processor. 2. Blend until the red pepper is fully incorporated and the hummus is smooth. Garlic hummus: 1. Take the remaining half of the classic hummus and add the roasted garlic cloves to the food processor. 2. Blend until the garlic is well mixed and the hummus is smooth. Transfer each flavor of hummus to separate serving bowls or compartments of a platter. Arrange the pita chips, sliced vegetables, and bread around the hummus bowls on a large serving platter. Optionally, drizzle a bit of olive oil on top of the hummus for garnish and sprinkle some paprika or fresh herbs for added flavor and presentation. Serve the hummus platter immediately, allowing guests to scoop up their choice of hummus with the various dippers. This hummus platter offers a delightful assortment of flavors and textures, perfect for sharing at potlucks or gatherings. Adjust the quantities based on the number of guests you'll be serving. Enjoy!